This is a video of how to make an adjustable ladder stabilizer. You can adjust the width. I bought a QuickClick ladder stabilizer. Comes with pins that go through the holes, but it only comes with one hole on each side. Well, I use a 5/16 inch drill bit and drill that hole every 1 inch on both sides. Now, if I want to, I can pull the pin out, slide the arm to wherever I need it, say, oh, it looks good, and slide the pin back in. And it's kind of hard to do it one-handed here, but see the idea. So that way you can there we go. You can adjust the width of your ladder stabilizer to fit any need.